Hello there, my name is Yuli. In this course, we will talk about what is the function in JavaScript. And the next, we also discuss how to make a simple function, then invoke it in our inner HTML. And the next, we will discuss about what is arrow function JavaScript and how to invoke it in our project. Now let's talk about what is a function in JavaScript. A JavaScript function is a reusable block of code designed to perform a specific task. The most common way to write a function is using a function declaration. It consists of the function keyword following with a name function, then a block of code that covered by the curly bracket. For example, we have a function named as greet. There is an input parameter we name as name. Then this function will return the string of hello that concatenate with the name variable. And then how to calling or invoking a function that we have built before. The defining a function doesn't run the code. To execute the program function that we have built before, if you must invoke it by using its name followed by the parenthesis. For example, here we have a variable named as music. We assign it with the function named as greet, and also we giving the alias as input parameter name. And then we can check the output of music using the console.log. You can get the output will show hello Alice. Now let's get practice. We will implement it using as inner of HTML. For example, I want to make a simple function named as multiplication that have two input parameter I and B, then following with the curly bracket, and then this function have ability to return multiplication between A multiply with B. And then how to invoke this function is just like this. For example, let's say I have a variable named as product that I assign using the multiplication and following with the number 10 and 20. If you wanna check the output, you can use the document.write and then following with the name of variable. And let's refresh our HTML and we will get the result with the number is 200. And another way to make a function is you can make a function of greet, and please give the input parameter. I will give name, then we can also return the greeting. For example, good day, and we concatenate using the plus operator and following with the name variable. After that, we can call the function. For example, greeting. I assign with the function of greet, and then I will give the name. For example, here is Alice, and then we can display using document dot read greeting. And before I display the output, I will give the command for new break line. Okay, let's refresh our browser, and this is the output. So in this part we will talk about how to implement the arrow function. This is another way to make a function that more shorter than before. The main feature of an arrow function is it can use the equivalent greater than symbol operator. Here we have three examples of shorter function form that we can implement in our JavaScript program. The first one, as you can see, this is the simple function for multiply three input parameter. You can start by make an variable that have an const type data and assign with the parentheses that contain three input parameter, and the equivalent greater symbol has a meaning of return value, where the value that will be returned is multiplication between A, B, and C. Another way to make a shorter function without the arrow symbol is by typing the function syntax and following with the parentheses that contain three input parameter, and we need to write the curly bracket following with the return syntax and three multiplication of input parameter. And the last, this is involve the arrow function. For example, we will make a function that can return the string. Let's say it is a hello function. We assign with the parentheses with non-input parameter, and it will return the hello world string. Now let's get practice how to make the shorter function in JavaScript. For example, I will use the const type data following with the name of variable. For example, I will give the name as multiply equivalent with the parentheses that have three parameter A, B, and C, and then there is also equivalent and greater than symbol that represent as arrow function, and it will return the multiplication between A, B, and also C. And to use this function is very simple. We make a result variable, and we call the function that we have built before, and here I will give the three parameter of input, and I will display the output using the document.write as reset. Okay, I will refresh my browser, and this is the result. Now I will make an example of simple shorter function in JavaScript. For example, I will give the name of new variable as plus, and I will assign with the function syntax, and where this function has three parameter, let's say A, B, and C, and then following with the parentheses where in this parenthesis there is contain return statement following with the a, b plus c parameter, and we can use this. We call the let answer assigned with the plus function following with 3 parameter, let's say 10, 10 and 20, and I will display the output using the document.read statement. For this one, this is for new line, and the second one is to display the output. Okay, I will reload my browser. Now this is the result. And then I will make another the sorter function using the arrow symbol. For example, I will give the name of variable as minus with the const type data, and there is an empty parenthesis that contain a, b and c input parameter following with the equivalent greater than, and this has meaning to return parameter, for example a minus b minus c, just like this. And then I will make the new, or maybe I will just reuse the answer variable, and I will call the minus function and give the number of 10, 2, 3, so the answer must be 5, and I will display the output using the document.read. But before I display the real output, I will starting with the new line using the br html statement, and then this is the correct output that I want to display. Okay, I will reload again my browser to get the output. Okay, this is the third answer of our function program.